Bronson with Pressure Creates Diamonds. We out here in Bryant, Arkansas, playing the Hurricane Golf Country Club. I've played this course a few times. Beautiful day. Figured we'd come out here again as usual. I don't necessarily get any practice in, so you all gonna join me today. See what we do, see what we working on. This is a good thing to be out here finally. We had all of this nasty weather and wanted to get some swings in, see how the round goes. I'm just gonna go from there. Leave me some thoughts, leave me some feedback. I appreciate you all joining the channel, leaving comments and all that good stuff. So here we go. Start out today, I guess with my usual 2-iron. Get loose and kind of go from there. Oh, we topped the ball. Completely topped the ball. Probably went in my backswing too fast. That was definitely a disaster. And it's not good. Not good. So we're on shot number 2. It was bad. Well, probably hadn't hit a ball in about 2 weeks. Definitely should have got some shots in, but this isn't unusual. We'll start out a little dusty for sure. Have you all been out at all? Have you all been playing at all? The ball was below my feet, so I kind of knew that it would probably do some wild things, but I think we on the edge of the fairway. About to hit our 3rd shot. We need to definitely slow my tempo down a little bit, and that definitely needs to happen. It's definitely a little quick, and kind of go from there. See how far we are. It says I'm 194 yards away. 3rd shot on a par 4. Um, hit a 6-iron. I think wind in our face a little bit. But I'm gonna hit a 6-iron. I really kind of question that distance. It says 195, so I'm gonna hit a 6-iron there. Definitely missed to the left or the right of the green. I was aimed to the right of the green. Contact was not great, but that's my third shot. Whew. And we're gonna have to get back in the groove. I probably should have definitely taken some shots today, but I did not. I'm pretty terrible. Pretty terrible. Would have been nice to hit the green. A little to the right. And we'll see how we go from there. Right and short. I'm gonna do my best not to hit on these stumps or anything like that. That was a disaster. That was a double on the first hole. Not good.